Today we're making creamy sweet potato pasta with caramelized onions and roasted tomatoes. Yummy like nobody's business. Hey, beautiful people. It's Dr. Leo from Dr. Health Plus, where I teach you how to easily transition to a whole food plant-based lifestyle and thrive. And today, I'm showing you how to make an easy, creamy, tasty recipe my family loves. Creamy sweet potato pasta with caramelized onions and roasted tomatoes. It's so comforting and indulgent and healthy. I usually make this dish with any leftover puree from baking sweet potatoes, and it's just so yummy. At home, we have this meal plan rotation. As always, if you're looking for the full recipe breakdown, I share those on my blog at choosingmyhealth.com. I'm going to leave this link and others for you in the description box below. And for now, let's dig in. Recipe: let's preheat the oven to 425 degrees and line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Place 1 potato, 2 if you're double batching of course, garlic cloves and grape tomatoes on your sheet, and bake the garlic and tomatoes for 12-15 minutes and your potatoes for about 45. Roasting veggies in the oven brings out their natural sugars and intensifies their flavor. They also retain a greater amount of vitamins than boiling. Next, let's caramelize an onion. My favorite pizza topping growing up was caramelized onions. I mean, it adds the perfect bit of savory sweetness to any dish. So I was really excited when I learned how to make them myself, and to top it off, make them oil-free. And it's so easy. Let's start by cutting our onions into rounds. Now we're going to heat a pan over medium heat, add a little water and your sliced onions in a semi-even layer as best as you can. Then we're going to stir them and then cover the pot. So you want to cook these for a total of about 30-40 minutes, uncovering every 5 minutes or so while adding splashes of water to the pot so your onions don't burn. Now it's time to boil our pasta. In a large pot, bring water to a boil, add your pasta, and cook until al dente. So, a method I like is turning the pot off minutes before it's ready and leaving the pot covered for a few more minutes to avoid the risk of overboiling the pasta. We don't need a mushy pasta today. And now for our sauce. To make the sauce, we'll add our ingredients to a high-powered blender: milk, coconut aminos, lemon juice, baked sweet potato, soaked cashews, roasted garlic, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and some salt. Blend until creamy and smooth. Music. Y'all, I'm so in love with this dish. It's so creamy, so smooth. I find this sauce to be so comforting because it's creamy and all the flavor layers make it an excellent crowd pleaser dish, especially for people who need a pretty non-intimidating introduction to a plant-based meal. If you want to make the sauce cheesy, you can add in some nutritional yeast flakes. Personally, I find that it's good just as is. So, I hope you enjoy this dish as much as I do. Outro. If you're looking for more recipes or ideas, I have plenty on this channel and my blog. I'm going to leave a link to them in the description box below as well. And if you make any of them, please comment and let me know. I'd so appreciate that. Also, if you're interested in a plant-based lifestyle and you want to join the CMH crew, please subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to easily transition to a plant-based lifestyle and thrive. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for my latest videos. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs. You can also follow me on Instagram, Choosing My Health. Now, if you're new to this whole food, plant-based lifestyle thing, welcome. Check out my free gift for you, packed with nearly 20 years of my life-tested strategies to boost your game for the win. Links are all in the description box below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. You know I love y'all. Hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.